WFI sexual assault case. Now, Solicitor General Tushar Mehta has made urgent mentioning before the Supreme Court, and he has said that we would need to carry out some preliminary inquiry before registering an FIR. So this is what the Solicitor General has said to the Supreme Court. Ananya, can you tell us more about it?
Well, yes, the Solicitor General of India, Mr. Tushar Mehta, who would be representing the Delhi police in this particular matter, has actually made an urgent mentioning before the topmost court of the country, clearly asking that, it would have to carry out some kind of a preliminary inquiry before an FIR is registered into the case with regards to the sexual harassment allegations against WFI chief Brij Bhushan Sharan. And remember, the matter has remained a lot of furor, and in fact, these wrestlers had knocked the doors of the topmost court of the country, and the Supreme Court had agreed to hear the matter and had issued notice on the petition filed by these particular wrestlers, whose name we cannot divulge, because since there is a retraction order from the Supreme Court itself. But at the same point of time, the Solicitor General had made an urgent mentioning, saying that there has to be a preliminary inquiry that needs to be carried out before some kind of FIR is registered into this matter. However, he also said that if the Supreme Court would insist, even without a preliminary inquiry, an FIR can be registered into this particular matter. Responding to that, the Chief Justice of India said that we have kept the matter for Friday, and normally it would be averse for referring something which is not before the other side, but this matter pertains to a minor. We'll look at whatever you have. So basically, the Chief Justice of India is saying that if at all there is some kind of a report or some kind of a status report that the Delhi police wants to give it to the court and does not want the other side to see at this point of time, it can be that the Chief Justice of India would have a look into it, which generally is not the case. The other side is served first and then a hearing happens. But in this case, if at all the Delhi police wants to submit a status report, the court would actually first seek and actually take a look at that first.